Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Italy for everyone that does not know me, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this blowout look at home. It's super easy to do. I've been obsessed with doing this for the past, I want to say 9 months. But yeah, it's super easy and I think you guys are gonna really like it, and I'm also gonna share all the products that I use. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Hey, hello. Okay, so my hair's pretty damp right now. I don't know if you could tell. But it's like 90% dry, and this is the perfect state to have it before doing a blowout with the tool that I'm about to show you guys. But today I decided to do a hair mask that's really going to make my hair even softer when it is done. And the hair mask that I use is this Perfect Repair Treatment by Nature's Lab. I love this hair mask so much that I was so sad because I basically finished it up today and I was literally about to start crying. Not really, but I'm a bit of a drama queen. But then I remembered your girl is already set up with backup. I just ordered this. And yes, I did pay for this myself, even though I am an affiliate with them. Love them. I've been using their products before I was ever an affiliate with them, so keep that in mind too. Yeah, I got another one, and then I also got this shampoo, the Perfect Repair Shampoo. I have their volume shampoo, which I love. I've been using for a while now, but I wanted to try the repair shampoo. So yeah, if you're looking for a good hair mask, definitely give that one a try. I love pampering myself and like doing a hair mask every now and then. Not every now and then, I'm joking. I do one every single week. Like, who are we kidding? I love hair masks. I'm obsessed with hair masks. Actually, I've noticed such a huge difference in my hair since I started to do hair masks. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but up here, I think in the back you can definitely tell I have some frizzies. That's how all my hair used to be. Growing up, my hair was so frizzy, and I would just use regular drugstore shampoo and conditioner, and I can't tell you which one because I've tried them all. I used to be the type to have bottles and bottles and bottles and never finish them because I was always trying out different ones to try to figure out which one was going to be the best one. And to be honest, none of them worked for me. So yeah, I loosened up the purse strings and started to actually invest in my hair care, and that's when I saw a major difference. So up here, you'll still see some frizzies, but my ends never get that frizzy anymore because that's normally where I concentrate my my hair masks on. So I'm gonna insert a picture of what my hair used to look like right here. But if this is you now, girl, don't worry, there is still hope for you. You just gotta get good products. It's all about your products. But let's get into this blowout look. So this product was sent to me. It is by Gizu, and it's their Prep Me, Prime Me, Define Me. I find that my hair is so smooth after using this. So I'm just gonna take some, and I'm just gonna spread that throughout my hair. It smells really good too. I love all the Gizu products. I have the hair oil and I also have their hair mask. I feel like I choose my hair masks depending on like what mood I'm in. Okay, next, to add some volume, I'm going to use this Whey volume spray. I love this spray. The first spray that I ever tried from them is their wave spray, and I love that one too. But this one really helps the volume to appear, especially when I'm doing a straight blowout instead of trying to add curls, because when you curl your hair you'll get volume naturally because they're curls, but when you're doing a straight blowout you really need that extra help. And now I'm going to section off my hair. I'm just going to do 2 sections. Next, I'm going to spray my hair with some heat protectant. This is the Cool AF heat protectant by Foxy Bay. I love this heat protectant for a lot of reasons. One, it smells like a dessert. It smells like cake. Amazing. And then also the mist is so fine that it will evenly distribute throughout your whole hair, because I don't know if you guys have experienced this, but with spray bottles it kind of shoots out like a sneeze, and it's like it kind of just goes to one section and then you're like, oh, especially when setting sprays do that, that's the worst. Let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Look how great this mist is. Hopefully you can see it. Did you see that? It smells so good. Yeah, so it might just be me going crazy, but I really feel like more product gets on each individual strand of hair with a spray like this. Also, I'm gonna link everything that I use down below. So the tool that I'm gonna be using to do my blowout is going to be this rose gold blowout brush by Foxy Bay. I love this so much. It's really changed the game for me. I used to not even do a blowout look. I used to straighten my hair. The heat damage, oh my god. I used to straighten my hair, but ever since it's been more trendy to do a more blowout look and have that little flip at the end. I am an affiliate with them, and if you shop through my link, it's gonna automatically give you a 60% discount. If you're on your phone, sometimes it takes a minute for the discount to kick in, so make sure that when you press on it, you can see the discount. So yeah, I'm just going to go over all my hair with this, and you guys will see how easy it is. So they have a cool setting, a 1, and a 2. I'm just gonna go with the 2. So as you can see, this blowout brush is super easy to use. You literally just brush it through your hair and it does the job for you. It has 2 different bristles, the kind you get in a boar brush, which really smooths out your hair, and then the regular brush bristle that's just going to detangle your hair super nicely. I spent a bit more time closer to the roots since it takes that area a bit longer to dry. Plus, I also tend to get more frizz in that area. Also, when going over the end, I like to twist the brush away from my face. The direction in which you twist your brush is going to determine the direction your hair flips, so keep that in mind. Okay, so here's the bottom half done. I put my earpods in to listen to a podcast while I do this. I'm just gonna let down my top half and continue the process. I like to clip out the hair that's already been done just to make sure there's no confusion, and just go in again with the heat protectant. Okay, so what I like to do is take my bang piece. I want this part to have extra volume, so I'm going to go ahead and dry it, and while there's still heat transferred onto my hair, I'm going to roll it up and just have that sit there while I finish off the rest of my hair. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you. So here's the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm always happy how this ends up turning out, and I really love it. My hair is really long and thick, so it is heavy. If you have a shorter hair, you might end up with even more volume if you take these steps. I'm gonna insert a picture here of what I look like when I completely straighten, and then you can compare it to what it looks like this. I feel like I like this so much better. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below if you're gonna try out any of these products. I don't want you to feel like you have to go out and buy everything, but these are the products that I like to use when I do this. I will see you guys next time. Bye.